Hey guys, this is Jessica at Casa Magnolia, and today I am doing the 7-minute laundry challenge. This challenge was made by GreenISH Katie, and she asked me if I would be interested in doing it, and I totally am, even though I don't think I'm going to make it in 7 minutes because I am a very tedious folder. So I'm going to set a timer, and I have a load of whites to fold, and we will get started and see if I can finish in 7 minutes. So my timer just went off. I got it all folded and I got maybe about like 20% put away. But that was fun. It's interesting to do that because, you put off chores because you think they're going to take so long, but really it was only 7 minutes. So if you're interested in doing the 7-minute laundry challenge, I hope you will join in because it was really quick, easy, and fun. And I'll leave a link down below to Katie's channel. She's done quite a few of these now. So go check out her channel and leave her a comment telling her that I sent you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.